Dams play a crucial role in the world's water management systems, providing essential functions such as flood control, irrigation, hydropower generation, and water supply for various purposes. Among these engineering marvels, some stand out of their sheer scale and magnitude. The top 10 largest dams in the world represent monumental feats of engineering, spanning vast rivers and harnessing immense amount of water for human use and benefit. From Asia to North America, these dams showcase the ingenuity and ambition of humanity in taming the forces of nature to meet growing demands for energy and water resources. Let's explore these monumental structures, which have become iconic symbols of human achievement and resilience in the face of formidable natural challenges. Three Gorges Dam, Hubei, China. The Three Gorges Dam on China's Yangtze River is the world's largest dam. When constructed, the dam officially began in 1994. It has a storage capacity of 22,500 MW. The Three Gorges Dam is 2,335 meters in length and 181 meters in height. This dam was established in 2006 with aims to control floods, generate power, and improve navigation. It was the largest engineering project in China. It was the largest dam structure in the world. Even though the Three Gorges Dam is a prime example of engineering, it has faced scrutiny for its environmental and social impacts, including displacing over 1 million people and altering the river's ecosystem. W.A.C. Bennett Dam in Canada. W.A.C. Bennett Dam, constructed on the Peace River in British Columbia, Canada, creates the Williston Lake. The dam ranks as the 7th largest with a storage capacity of approximately 74 billion cubic meters and covers a surface area of 1,773 kilometers squared. The earth-filled embankment dam is operated by BC Hydro and has a height of 183 meters and a length of 2,068 meters. The construction of the dam was commenced in 1961 and completed in 1967. The power generating station at the dam, known as the GM Shrum Generating Station, has an installed capacity of 2,790 megawatts and started generating electricity in 1968. Oroville Dam, California, USA. The Oroville Dam, located in California, USA, is the tallest dam in the United States, standing at about 230 meters or 770 feet high. It was completed in 1968 and serves multiple purposes, including flood control, water storage, and hydroelectric power generation. The dam creates Lake Oroville, which is the second largest reservoir in California. In February 2017, the Oroville Dam faced a crisis when heavy rainfall and erosion on the main spillway led to concerns about the dam's structural integrity. Emergency measures were taken to prevent a catastrophic failure, including the use of emergency spillway for the first time in its history. This incident prompted significant repairs and upgrades to enhance the dam's safety and resilience. Aswan High Dam, Egypt. The Aswan High Dam, which impounds the River Nile and creates Lake Nasser, is the 6th biggest dam based on water storage capacity. The dam's reservoir, Lake Nasser, has a water storage capacity of 132 billion cubic meters. The rock-filled dam was designed by Institute Hydro Project of Russia in collaboration with various engineers from Egypt. It was constructed from 1960 to 1968 with an investment of approximately $1 billion. The dam's power plant is equipped with 12 Francis turbines with a combination installed capacity of 2,100 megawatts. The multi-purpose dam serves as the irrigation needs for both Egypt and Sudan, controlling flooding, generates power, and helps in improving navigation across the Nile. It is 111 meters in height, 3,830 meters in length, and has a base width of 980 meters. Its single spillway has a water discharge capacity of 11,000 cubic meters a second. Robert Bourassa Dam in Canada. The Robert Bourassa Dam, impounding the La Grande River in northern Quebec, Canada, creates the Robert Bourassa Reservoir. It is the world's 10th biggest dam and has a reservoir capacity of 61.7 billion cubic meters, covering the surface area of 2,815 kilometers squared. The embankment dam is 162 meters high and 2,835 meters in length, and features a spillway which has a capacity to release 17,600 meters cubed of water per second. The dam is owned by Hydro-Quebec and was constructed from 1974 to 1981. The dam's 2 power plants are fitted with 16 Francis turbines, having a combination installed capacity of 5,616 megawatts. Alstom is carrying out a major refurbishment and upgrade of the dam's power stations. Akosombo Dam, Ghana. Akosombo Dam, located in Ghana, is the third biggest dam based on water storage capacity. Constructed on the Volta River, the dam creates 8,500 kilometers squared Lake Volta, which is the world's biggest reservoir by surface area. The lake impounds a mammoth 144 billion cubic meters of water. The rock-filled embankment dam has a crest length of about 700 meters and a height of 134 meters, and involved 12 million cubic meters of surface excavation. It was constructed from 1961 to 1966, primarily for the purpose of electricity generation, but also provides a livelihood for about 300,000 people through fisheries in the lake. Volta River Authority owns the dam, and Impreglio, Italy was the main construction contractor. The power plant at the dam consists of 6 turbo generator units rated at 128,000 kilowatts each. Guri Dam, Venezuela. Guri, the world's 5th biggest dam, has a storage capacity of 135 billion cubic meters and creates Guri Lake, covering 4,000 kilometers squared. The concrete gravity and embankment dam measures 1,300 meters in length and 16 meters in height and provides for 70% of the country's electricity needs. It is operated by CVG Electrification del Carina, CA, Edelca. The dam's construction was carried out in 2 stages, which commenced in 1963 and completed in 1968. The Guri hydropower facility has installed capacity of more than 10,000 megawatts. A modernization project for the dam is also currently underway, involving ABB as the main contractor. Kariba Dam, Zimbabwe. Kariba Dam is the world's biggest dam based on water storage capacity. Located on the former Kareah Gorge, the dam creates Lake Kariba, which has a storage capacity of 185 billion cubic meters of water and a surface area of 5,580 kilometers squared. The Lake Kariba covers the length of 280 kilometers and is 32 kilometers wide at its widest section. The double curvature concrete arch dam is owned by Zambezi River Authority and was constructed between 1955 and 1959 by Impresa of Italy. The dam is designed to avert a 1 in 10,000 year flood event. The dam is 128 meters high, 617 meters in length, and was constructed using 1.036 million cubic meters of concrete. It comprises of 2 power stations generating a combined 1,470 megawatts of energy, which constitutes approximately 60% of the hydropower outputs for the Zambia and Zimbabwe. Tucuri Dam, Para, Brazil. The Tucuri Dam, located in the state of Para, Brazil, is one of the largest hydroelectric dams in the country and the world. Completed in the 1980s, it spans the Tucanes River and creates Lake Tucuri, covering the area of 2,000 square kilometers, about 770 square miles. With a height of around 78 meters, 256 feet, and a length of approximately 12 kilometers, 7.5 miles, the dam has a substantial capacity for electric generation. Its power station contains multiple turbines with a combination installed capacity of over 8,000 megawatts, making it one of the most significant sources of hydroelectric power in Brazil. The top 10 largest dams in the world stand as monumental testaments to human engineering, prowess, and the quest to harness the power of water for various purposes. From providing vital irrigation for agriculture to generating vast amounts of renewable energy, these dams play crucial roles in supporting economies, communities, and ecosystems around the globe. However, their construction often comes with environmental and social impacts, underscoring the importance of careful planning, management, and mitigation measures. As we continue to grapple with the challenges of water management, climate change, and sustainable development, these dams serve as both marvels of human achievement and reminders of the delicate balance between harnessing nature's resources and preserving its integrity for future generations.